Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. I'm working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day. Kick it like I'm Pele, I never care what they say. Put myself on Spotify, so every day my payday.
Yeah, I'm riding through the city with the top down, with the type of energy that you can't knock down. It's that time of the year we will not frown, telling all my enemies that they should calm down. Whoa, no, I got California soul.
Vicky missed the swing and literally smashed a hole in the wall. So in 7th place we have Cam. Where's Cam? Oh yeah. 6th we have Matty.
We won't film him.
Then we have Ron, 5th. Okay, you know. Then joint first is Vicky and Kev. Kevin, yes, sorry. Joint 4th.
You said first.
You said first. We won, yes! 3rd is Peter. Right. 2nd is Paul. Woo. Oh yeah, Paul. And then 1st is obviously.
It's metrics, mergers, acquisitions and exits, and you really don't achieve that much unless you understand the metrics. Unfortunately, that's all I really do. I just tweak with the metrics. And for those gamers here, does anyone remember Street Fighter back in the day? Hadouken! Yeah. I am like that really annoying person that just goes Hadouken, Hadouken all throughout the whole game and just bleeds your health down until you win. I've got basically one tool in my toolbox which I just use over and over again, and it works. You need to really understand where your income stream is from and also where your assets are being held. And so you have a thing what I call the asset pyramid. And in here we have primary assets or income, secondary and tertiary. The easiest way to explain this is, let's say you have, let's give a couple of examples here. Let's say you own land, okay? And I don't know, let's say on that land you have copper deposits. So here you've actually got, I guess, 2 assets. You've got the land as an asset and you've got sort of an additional asset of the copper being in the land. Now, the secondary asset would be, let's say, a copper refinery. Copper miner / I don't know, refinery. So this is basically a business which is deriving cash flow and is also an asset. But this asset is all derived from this primary asset, i.e. the copper. As in, this is the real tangible physical stuff. This is a business based off that real physical tangible stuff, right? Now tertiary assets or tertiary income is, I don't know, let's say you're a trader trading copper contracts. Or I don't know, you sell a copper news subscription service. Or you sell, I don't know, something really like not real, untangible. So that's tertiary asset. Or you're trading or you've set up a crypto ICO that has copper as its backing, I don't know. So these are the 3 levels of asset / income. So Zuckerberg, I believe when he IPO'd Facebook, suddenly ballooned to $6 billion net worth. What asset is that? Tertiary, secondary or primary? Primary, yeah. He's realized all of his wealth on stocks or his stock valuation. And what is Facebook? It doesn't exist. It's not a real thing. It's just an internet business. So his whole empire is tertiary. His whole business empire is tertiary. Again, Ivan Spiegel, he made like $600 million or something like that when he IPO'd Snapchat. Like, all of this wealth is tertiary. A lot of the world's new billionaires these days, where is their wealth? It's all up here. All the, Uber, Airbnb, all of these things are tertiary wealth, tertiary assets. So what you'll find, and this is why I've always said, do what billionaires do, not what they say. There's a massive difference here between what they do and what they say. So a lot of billionaires, you'll hear them say, oh yeah, just buy a tracker fund, a tracker ETF, you know, buy for the long run, blah, blah, blah. But what are they doing with their real money? They're going out buying physical stuff. So who is the single biggest private landowner in America?
McDonald's, right?
Nope. Private land, yeah. So yeah, McDonald's owns more real estate than the Catholic Church. So McDonald's is a real estate business, it's not a burger business. They have the worst burgers in the world, but they own all, yeah, it does taste nice, but they own all of the best property on the planet. At every major roundabout, intersection, McDonald's, they're everywhere. They are a real estate business, not a burger business. So yeah, biggest private landowner in America, Jeff Bezos. Why is that? Where did Bezos' real wealth come from? Tertiary, right? So he is aware of this, he must be. So he was like, shit, I need to rapidly descend down the pyramid into primary as fast as possible. So I think he has something like 450,000 acres of land in America. And the reason that's just come out is because he's going through that messy divorce. Oh, it's not messy, it's quite clear cut. He's just going to lose half. That's a $70 billion divorce. I don't think any fling is worth 70 billion. Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, it's a share valuation. It's all tertiary. So what you'll find is that most billionaires, whether they know it or not, they'll make their wealth wherever, and they will rapidly descend to try and get down to primary. Because guess what? Primary lasts, tertiary doesn't. So if you looked at risk to reward, very high risk, high reward in tertiary, and then secondary, then primary.